Hi all, Renee here, and I have February's Sew Sampler Box. So let's go ahead and get it open. So this month's theme is Lucky Charm. So let's see what we have. So the coupon for the Sew Sampler Box, folks, is 10% off Moda Pre-Cuts and 20% off Martingale books. So there you go. Okay, so let's go ahead. And I guessed the fabric correctly. The sneak peek, I'm sorry, I'm opening our little thing here telling us what we have. The sneak peek was actually an outline of Mackinac Island, so that made it kind of easy. So we've got the Mackinac Island fabric. So I'm going to move the box off to the side and I'll open one of these. I've seen this fabric before and I absolutely love it. It's a very nice patriotic type colors, which I really like. So I'll just do a quick flip so you can see them. And I would say go to Fat Quarter Shop if you want to see any of these a little bit closer. And the colors are probably better on Fat Quarter Shop's website. I just love these fabrics. That one I really like. So I can't wait to see what they want us to make with this. Let's see. Very nice. Oh, that looks like Minnie Mouse. Every time I see red and white polka dot, I think of Minnie Mouse. There's that same print again, just in different colors, so I like that. I really like that one too. Big stars. There we go. So that you get 2 of these charm packs, and the charm pack value is $19.96. So and there's no putting that, sticking that little label back on because I tore it. Okay, so now we've got some diagonal seam tape from Cluck Cluck Sew. I've never used this, so let's see what it says. With the diagonal seam tape as your guide, you can ditch the marking pins. This handy washi tape from Cluck Cluck Sew adheres right onto your sewing machine and features 2 1/4-inch seam lines and a red center line. Whenever you need to sew down the center of a diagonal seam, just simply align the corners of your fabric piece to the red center line and go. Value $6.48. I'll have to try this stuff out and let you know what I think, because right now I have one of those plastic guides, but it doesn't go all the way up to my sewing foot, so sometimes I do get a little bit off. So I'll be excited to try this one out. It's a 10-yard roll, so that'll be neat. So I've got all kinds of little fuzzes. So we've got the diagonal seam tape. Oh, we've got a spool of Aurifil. This is the 80 weight Aurifil, and the value on this is $6.24. So we are already over what the box costs. That's pretty good. And then we get let me open this. Looks like a template. It is. Meet in the Middle half hexagon template. It's a Lissa Alexander exclusive for the Sew Sampler Box. Take the hex out of hexagons with the Meet in the Middle template by Lissa Alexander, exclusively designed for the Sew Sampler Box. This notion transforms 5-inch square charm packs into harmonious hexagons with no Y seams. Simply cut using the template and join the pieces into rows. Value is $9.98. I can't get the sticker off right here in the middle, but it does say Meet in the Middle, and it has a score line in the middle, and then it has score lines all the way around at 1/4 of an inch, and it says Sew Sampler exclusive. Okay, so there's that, and then here's our pattern. That is really pretty. I really like that pattern. So this pattern is called the Meet in the Middle quilt pattern. Take comfort in this classic hexagon design from Lissa Alexander. Using a simple stitch and flip method, these shapes take form with an easy meet in the middle technique that you will happily put on repeat. The value of the pattern is $9.98, And this is a bonus pattern from the new book, Sisterhood of Scraps. That sounds pretty good, actually, because I always have a lot of scraps. So let me see if we have a section that tells us what other fabrics we need. Okay, so here's what you'll need. The finished runner size is 16 by 60. And you need 69 charm squares. She used 2 Mackinac Island charm packs, which is what's here on the cover, which is what we have right here. You also need 5/8 yard of blue stripe for bias binding, and then 1 1/4 yard for the fabric for the backing, and then a piece of batting, 20 by 64, and the template. So that's pretty good. This pattern's like actually really heavy duty, more so than previous ones. And then let's see what our goodness grows. Oh, that's pretty. That's going to be another applique block. So if you don't like applique, you're not going to be happy, but I like applique, so I'm happy. Block 11, I think we have 12 blocks, so 1 more block and we'll have the whole quilt for the whole year, and I am behind, so I need to get myself in gear. So that is the box this month. Oh, and this pattern is, I think, $4.98. Yes, $4.98 for this pattern. So 15, 35, 45, let's see, 55. So it's probably around a $57 value in the box this month. So that's a pretty good deal. So this is the February, I think it's February. I should probably look and make sure. Yes, February 2020 Sew Sampler box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.